If you wait until the holiday season to publish your KDP book, you've already missed the biggest sales window, and that mistake is killing your profits. Here's the truth. Amazon doesn't work like a last-minute pop-up shop.
Wait, what do you say?
It rewards books that have been sitting on the shelves, getting indexed, gathering reviews, and climbing the rankings long before buyers start flooding in. That's why the number one mistake I see KDP authors make is publishing too late in the season. Here's a real example. Take gratitude journals. They sell best around Thanksgiving, going into the Christmas season, right? But the top-selling ones are usually uploaded in early August or September. Why? Well, because by the time November rolls around, they've already built momentum and new uploads just can't catch up. The fix is simple. Publish early. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 2 to 3 months before the season you're targeting. So today, I'm going to walk you through the process to create a best-selling holiday book, step by step, from research, creation, and uploading to KDP. Let's dive into the research. So here, I'm going to start on the products page. Now, over here in the category area, you can choose whatever niche you would like to focus on. If you feel like you're stronger in one more than the other, then you can select here. I'm going to choose coloring book, and I already typed in Christmas, and this is what came up. So this is what I look at when I start to see what's trending lately, what has that keyword Christmas. Here's a classic coloring book. And then I also like to see what the BSR is, the bestseller ranking. I also like to see when it first published, because I want to know, was it really big just for a little bit, or is it still a great seller? Let's see, here's Christmas Flowers. Wow, over 1,000 ratings. Ooh, that was from back 2018. That's a little bit too old for me. Here's our Cozy Christmas Coloring Books, only 21 ratings. Let's look for something maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, Christmas Mandalas. Again, that's 2018. This is a beautiful Christmas coloring book. Let's click on that and see how it looks. Okay, it only has 3 ratings. This was obviously done with AI, which it's still beautiful. I love that they put the pictures on the back because then people know what they're getting. There's a lot of grayscale here, which the images are still beautiful. And it's a beautiful coloring book. But people who get into coloring books, who want to color, they want to know, are they getting grayscale or are they not? So all you need to do is exactly like they did here, put pictures on the back. This is beautiful, but not quite what I'm looking for. Okay, so I have the idea of Christmas coloring book. Here's Snowman, but only 1 rating. I'm going to hop down here to Cloud. Cloud is just like searching on Amazon, but is contained here in BookBolt. So I want to search within the top 100 books. I could choose 200, but I'm going to do 100. Over here, I'm going to choose coloring book. You don't need to put a keyword in there, but I am going to put Christmas in. Now, I'm actually going to narrow down the price range just a bit. I want anything below $15 and search. We have seen this 100 amazing patterns for a while. The comfy days, we've seen a lot of these. Let's keep going. I want something that is selling well, but also going to be more focused on Christmas. Okay, holiday is here, flowers. This is also what you can do here when you're looking at these categories, is not only does it show you, the price, the reviews, but it also shows you how much that book has earned in the last 30 days. Because it's also good to know, was it a big hit for just 1 year, 5 years ago, or is it continuously selling? And so this is where I'm going to look here. Yep, that's still selling over 600 every month. Looking for something kind of simple. Plants and flowers. Well, that's cute. Large. I like the large print. Has 141 ratings. It was just published last Christmas. And it's getting an estimated 280 sales still every month. That's pretty good. Let's see what this looks like. I like to look on the back. Oh, that's nice. That's definitely something I think I can do in AI. It's going to take a little bit of work, but we can do it. Let's see how many pages this is. They've got 52 festive designs. Let's stick with 50. Large print illustrations. Love it. Now we need to decide where we're going to create these images. Okay, here we are in Kittle. I love Kittle because it allows me to create an AI item and then edit it super simple, like removing saturation, changing contrast, things like that. Okay, I've got my settings at 8.5 by 11. We're going to make this a beautiful 8.5 by 11 coloring book and click create to create our first artboard. So I'm going to click on the artboard, and overall I'm going to want 50 of these. Option and drag. Option and drag. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create 5 of these, then select all and hold Option again. And there we have 50 artboards. And we'll choose a vector style. Okay, let's make that a little bit smaller. Make sure it's centered. Something a little odd with this hand right there. This is what we're going to do. I need to delete that little bit right there. So I'm going to come here, click on the eraser. Let's see what other options it may have given me that I can use. Remember, you have the license to use all of these. So we have all of our 50 images, and let's download them as a single PDF. Let's start a new project. Go to BookBolt Studio, Project, New Project. Let's call this 8.5 by 11. We're going to do black and white interior. We need a bleed because some of those images went all the way to the edge, so you need to consider the bleed. And we need it to be 100 pages because we have 50 coloring pages, and then we need there to be a white page on the back. And I always add a couple extra pages, 1 extra page for the title page, and then another one for the back. So I'm going to do 103 pages. Now let's upload that PDF. Now, after everything's been uploaded, you need to go back 1 step because it's going to create a folder. As you can see, I'm horrible at organizing my folders. Be better than me. Organize your folders. If you need to rename this, right click, let's rename it right now. 2025 Adult Coloring. Okay, I'm going to right click. I want to use this folder as a template. Now remember, I want it to be on every odd page. So I'm going to come here, select all of the odd, and deselect the first page. What that means is page 1, that first page I just deselected, is going to be your title page. And then page 2 is the back of that page. Page 3 is your very first coloring page. It's going to spread them all out, skip that back page for every single one, and place them exactly where I need them. Now, review these. I want it to go all the way to the paper edges. I want it to resize and fill the whole page. Let's see how it looks. Nice. Fits perfectly in the middle. Very cute. If I come here to the eyeball book view, I love it. I think it's looking good. Now let's go ahead and address our cover page and the title page. I'm going to come back on over to Kindle, and in their templates, type in Christmas and see what comes up. Let's do Christmas book cover. Let's see. Oh, that's really cute. I want to make sure I pick something that I can represent the pictures that I've added to the book. Make sure that it's just a good representation. That's cute. I feel like that's going to match it. Yeah, let's go with that one. And there are a few things we need to fix or add onto this cover page. Let me show you how we're going to convert this into the inside front cover title page also. I'm going to copy it. It's just a little bit different, but you see how it carries over the same theme from the front page. I actually want to download these separately. Now let's come on back over to BookBolt. And I'm just going to pull it here so it goes all the way to the end. As long as we make sure that there's no major writing that is going over past those green margins. Let's make sure we're centered. I think it looks pretty good. Now, what are we going to do about the back? What I want to do is I want to make a page that's going to cover the entire back, but have it match the front. And you know what? That red is a beautiful red. Let's do red. Let me show you. And come here and get a shape, a rectangle. And we're going to change the color. Get the pipette. Click on that red. Click OK. And now let's just make sure that the rectangle is below the Santa. This comes dead center. There we go. Now, if you'll remember what we loved about those other books, or this is what I loved about the other books, is that they had a picture on the back so that the customer knows what they're getting. So we're going to go ahead and put some pictures on here. Copy, Command V, And let's just make it smaller. I'm just going to do 3 pictures. Sometimes I do 4. Now let's do that inside front cover. Right click, use it as a template, and there we go. So let's come here to the book view. Nice. Now, of course, you can always add here. You could put, this is a gift to you. You could add copyright information if you like. It's totally up to you. Let's go ahead and download this. Okay, let's create our book. We're going to do a paperback. Now let's go ahead and this time we're definitely going to use our ChatGPT for some help. I'm taking this other description and we'll have ChatGPT help us a bit. Okay, I like it. It looks like everything in there is appropriate and reflects the book. No edition number. Now let's do the description. Okay, let me make sure that it didn't bring over any of the exact wording from that other description because I want to respect the other author's text. Festive designs, large print illustrations. Okay, this one's a little bit more different, so I like that better. Yes, I own the copyright. That particular, even though the images were made with AI, that particular license that's included in Kindle includes that I own the copyright to those images. So no sexually explicit images, primary marketplaces, Amazon.com. Let's choose our categories. And I'm actually just going to see where that other coloring book was listed. Let's see here. It has it here. This one is in Christian books and Bibles, Christian living, holidays, Christmas, religion, book, spirituality. Yep, let's do that one. Don't forget to click. Let's see, this is not a low content book because it's a coloring book is not a low content book. Journals or notebooks, something where there's nothing inside except for maybe a line. Those are low content books. Now let's ask ChatGPT to help us out with our keywords and our keyword phrases. Save and continue. Okay, we have black and white interior paper. I'm not changing that. Let's select a different size. It is 8.5 by 11. Yes, there's a bleed, and this is for PDF only. I want a matte cover, and let's upload the manuscript. And upload the cover. I love how BookBolt formats everything for me. Yes, there is AI-generated content. Yes. Don't forget to assign a free ISBN. I forgot to do that. There we go. And launch previewer. And now it's time for our quality check. I think it looks really good. It's not showing me any major issues so far. Everything's within the margins and approve. Now let's talk price. That other book was going for $7.99, but as we know, the royalties have decreased if your book is now under $9.99. The books are good quality. I feel like with 50 pages, I probably could do, I'm going to go with $10.99. And I'm going to publish the paperback. Let me know if you have any questions. So don't let timing kill your seasonal sales. Plan ahead. Use BookBolt for your research and get your holiday book uploaded early so it has time to rise in the Amazon rankings before the shopping rush hits. It also will give you time to get the reviews that you need to really validate your book. I do have a 20% off lifetime discount for you in the link below. I was using BookBolt long before I became an affiliate for them, and I promote them because I love them and I use them all the time. Trust me, now is the time to get started on your holiday books. Let me know if you have any questions.